Thank you. Thank you, Shalini, for that soulful song. I now call Ms. Levita to welcome all the dignitaries. Good morning, one and all present here. I, Levita, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, feels immensely pleasured in welcoming the dignitaries for the inaugural function of National Student Project Exhibition 2016, organized by Alpha College of Engineering and All India Council for Technical Education. I would firstly like to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Sitaram TG, Southwestern Regional Office, Bangalore. Thank you, sir. I would like to welcome Dr. K.R. Venugopal, sir, Principal, University Vishweshwaraya College of Engineering, Founder Trustee, Alpha College of Engineering. Thank you, sir. I would also like to welcome Srimati Rukmini, Vice President of Alpha College of Engineering, Chairperson of Vijaya Vitala Institute of Technology. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to welcome the President of this occasion, Dr. Dinesh K. Anvekar, Principal, Alpha College of Engineering. Thank you, sir. I would like to welcome all the participants of various colleges, staffs, students, and respected judges. Thank you, everybody. I request all the dignitaries to come up on the dais to light the lamp and release the balloons. We call one of the participants, please, on the stage.
ತಟ್ಕೊಳಮ್ಮ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದುಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಉತ್ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೌದು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಬೇಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
Thank you all. To introduce our program chair, Dr. Venugopal KR. Good morning, one and all. I, Sophia, Department of CSE, got an opportunity to introduce Dr. Venugopal KR. Dr. Venugopal KR has been in Bangalore University for the last 4 decades. He has 11 degrees with PhD in Computer Science Engineering from IIT Madras, Chennai, and another PhD in Economics from Bangalore University. He has degree in Law, Mass Communication, Electronics, Economics, Business Finance, Computer Science, Public Relations, and Industrial Relations. He has authored and edited 61 books and published more than 550 papers in referred international journals and international conferences. He supervised 630 ME dissertations, 21 PhDs, and filed 101 patents. He was a postdoctoral research scholar and a visiting professor at University of Southern California, USA. He has been conferred Fellow of IEEE, USA for contribution to computer science engineering and electrical engineering education. It's a pleasure to have you with us, sir.
Dignitaries on the dais, Professor T.G. Sitaram, my friend, colleague, and Chairman of Southwest Regional Office, All India Council for Technical Education, Srimati Rukmini, Founder Trustee of this college, Dr. Dinesh K. Anvekar, my classmate at University Vishweshwaraya College of Engineering, my colleagues, my PhD students, who are there in large number here today, say be about 70 to 80. Teachers of Alpha College of Engineering, participants, and my affectionate students. You might all be wondering as to how a small event which just started about 20 days back has culminated into such a big syndrome of projects. We have received 375 projects from all over the country. It is because of the support given by All India Council for Technical Education. This is not an ordinary program. I have traveled throughout the country. I have been in AICT programs for the last 20 years. I have visited hundreds of colleges in the country. But to organize a program at this level is quite difficult. And I should thank the teachers of this college who have been working for the last 15 days. And the stage itself has taken about 1 week. And each and every faculty has worked from morning till evening in the last 3 days. I have to congratulate them for this program. The money that is required for the program is huge. I just heard from my colleague Vijay Kumar from AIT. He said, how much did it cost? What is the expense of that program which they conducted on April 14th? Exactly 1 month later, it is being conducted in Alpha College. He said, 32 lakhs has been spent. Then I asked last week, the Shrishti conducted by ABVP in CMRIT, then they said we spent 56 lakhs of rupees to conduct that program. Then I was little taken back. How will I run this program? It is because of all my PhD students who contributed generously to run this program. It is because of the trustees who have generated funds and contributed to the success of this program. It is because of the staff of Alpha College of Engineering who have generated funds and supported this program. Now, it is not an easy job to run a program of this magnitude, but I could make this program run in about 12 lakhs of rupees. 12 lakhs is not an easy and small amount. It has been contributed by the students of mine, trustees and teachers of this college. I thank them all. Then about the projects. Every student is actually very eager to display their projects. So we have called 35 judges who have completed their PhD and have about 20 to 25 years of teaching experience. It's not so easy to call people and just assemble here. Amongst you, they are stalwarts, judges. So we have Krishna Rao, we have Deepa Shenoy, we have Shaila, we have KB Raja, we have Kapilan, we have Suresh Babu, we have Vishwanath, we have Shiva Prakash, and we have Pradeep, we have Badrinath, we have Arun Lata, we have S.H. Manjula, we have Kiran, and we have Pushpa. A number of them. I can just keep on telling the names. They have more than 20 to 25 years of teaching experience. And they are there in the crowd, in this audience, to judge these projects. First I thought, about 5 days back, we had 25 projects. 4 days back, it crossed 100. 3 days back, it crossed 200. And today, it is reaching 400. That is the magnitude and that is the enthusiasm of these students in this country. It is not that we do not have potential. It is not that we do not have talent in this country. We have something in shortage, that is organizing, sincerity, honesty. This type of things are in shortage, an acute shortage in this country. We were once the greatest inventors of this world. We have invented Brahmastra, which is called heat sink missile now. We have invented an aeroplane designed by Ravana 3000 years back. We have done clone technology in Ramayana. We have done visual graphics in Mahabharata. Sanjaya was narrating the entire Mahabharata war by wireless technology. IoT was there in Mahabharata because everybody was connected in Mahabharata war. We are talking about IoT now, Internet of Things now. But if you see Krishna, he was the sole perpetuator of that IoT. He had connected all the people, all the warriors and all the great warriors in Mahabharata war, and it took only 18 days to destroy all of them, the evil. It took only 18 days because it was perfectly connected. The match was declared, the open on the first day, and everybody knew on the 18th day the evil will perish. And that was designed by Krishna. The result was a foregone conclusion in the war. And like that, by evening today, you will know who are the winners and who are the participators. And it is not about winning and losing prizes. It is about your enthusiasm to demonstrate your project here in this conclave. I congratulate all those participants who have come with so much enthusiasm, and I hope that you will enjoy this 6 hours program, and by 4 o'clock and 4:30 you will see winners, participants, and all those people who showed their might in their 400 and odd projects. He's a man who has spoken on earthquakes. He is a man who has spoken on systems, disaster systems. He has spent 30 years in Indian Institute of Science. Is there for inauguration. Sir, I'm very happy that you are here, and you'll be there for distributing the prizes at 4 o'clock today. Thank you very much, sir, for coming here, and he has been waiting here for last 1 hour to inaugurate this program in spite of his busy schedule. So you can imagine the amount of enthusiasm and the concern for this program, and being an All India Council Technical Education Southwest Regional Chairman, it is we are privileged to have him here, and thank you once again, sir, for being here. The principal of the college is no small a man. He knows entire Bhagavad Gita, all the 18,000 verses. He has been my classmate at University of Vishweshwaraya College of Engineering during 1974 and 79, and we were playing hand tennis in the quadrangle of UVC. I and Dinesh Kanvekar have filed 101 patents. It is not a joke that he was able to do this in 6 months. And he has been in Nokia, IBM, Honeywell. He has produced 15 US patents so far. He has taken the helm of affairs at Alpha College of Engineering, and I am happy that he is taking the college from one level to another level in such a short time. Thank you, Dinesh Kanvekar, for organizing this program. What can I tell about the founder trustee? She is my elder sister, 4 years older than 3 years older than me, and she has nurtured me to this point. Whatever I am here today, it is because of her. Every month she has to give me 50,000 rupees. Why? To spend it on the students, and that contribution is given by her. Whatever debt I incur, she has to clear it. That is the generosity of this founder trustee, and I am ever indebted to her, because today if you are seeing whatever you are seeing at Alpha College of Engineering and Vijay Vitala, it is her land. She has contributed to the development of both these colleges single-mindedly, determined, and being a lady, I congratulate her that she has brought these two colleges to such an extent. And my dear participants, you are the persons who are going to run this program for next 6 hours. It is going to be a grand success. I looked after the last item also on this stage, including this mic. Now, why I should do that? It is my passion for education. It is for my passion for students. It is for passion for my PhD students. I might have rebuked so many PhD students, and I have asked them, forced them to come here. Why? It is because we have to build a great nation, which was once a great nation of inventors. Ramanujan, Aryabhatta, these are all great stalwarts. When all the people were nomadic in nature, civilizations were in nomadic nature, we are inventing and founding great instruments for this world. We are the inventors for this world, and we should be, and we are going to be. And this is one such thing that has taken place in Alpha College of Engineering. I have said, educate India. It was coined by me, and this college, for Principal Dinesh Kanvekar, EdSim, Educate India, Digital India. From these two, we can develop skills, and that's what you're going to show today. Skill India. When you develop skills, you will go onto the path of innovation. Innovate India. When you innovate, we can achieve the dream of our Prime Minister, Make in India. It is the greatest thing that can happen. We were doing it for the world, and we will show the world that we can still do it. 40% of the scientists in NASA are Indians. 35% of the doctors in America are Indians. 10% of the scientists in Sweden in particle collider system are Indians. We generate engineers for the world. We generate inventors for the world. And this conclave is just a starting point, and I wish you all the best. We don't have time, and because of sparsity of time, I'll just end this note, because there are many speakers and we have to go on to the actuals. I can speak for hours together, but this is not the place where I can speak, and this is not the place where you will listen. Thank you one and all.